for 10,000 bucks or less, I think you could reliably get, I think at least 100,000 gallons of water storage in there, if not more. That would be like on reserve all time, and like let alone just what your household use is. And now if you've got that 100,000 gallon reserve, now you can start putting up sprinklers and stuff and having a backup generator. So like if there ever is a fire threat, you pull a cord or you hit a button, and that turns on a sprinkler all around your entire property. And like that, so like that 100,000 gallons, I mean, what that lasts, like if you were doing like say 100 gallons a minute, which is not bad. So 100,000 divided by 100 is 1,000 minutes, divided by 60. So you could run for 16 hours.
In an emergency, that would save your life.
Yeah, in an emergency. And like any forest fire that you ever get, and like that combined with fire breaks and like a few things around your place, I think you could be sitting pretty secure, or as secure as you could be around your yard here. Basically it would be like you're going to need a sprinkler, an irrigation line around your zone 1 and 2 anyways, and you just have it set up so that there's one valve that you turn, and you've got those sprinklers set up around all your infrastructure, and you just run that 100 gallon a minute pump or bigger. And even if you can go 200 gallons a minute with a 2-inch line or something, for 8 hours, like, I don't know. And then so that now we combine that with your neighbor's well, and the ability that we can, once we've got like a big enough tank that's not going to just like seep water into the ground, you can keep it. You've got several ways to fill it. You've got spring runoff, you got rainfall, you've got, you can pump from your neighbor if you need to fill it up.